All right, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader, and I'm on a job site. Actually have a remodeling business. If you're new around here, I do name of my business is Jim of All Trades. I remodel and do contracting work. So that's what we're here doing, and I just want to get a video out to you today. Someone was begging for a an update, so I thought I'd be kind. This is what I'm seeing right here. It looks like an expanded flat, guys. The best I can tell on Bitcoin. Don't forget, this isn't financial advice. It looks like we got a three-wave structure there, three-wave structure here. Expecting a five-wave move to the downside. Pretty impulsive. That's what I'm expecting here. So this would be one, two, going to get a bigger three, four, and five. Should be coming down to the one-to-one extension, at least to the 127. Could even come to the 1618. Expanded flats have been known to even come down to the 2618. We'll see if that happens. But it's looking like an ABC structure, but I would be on guard. I'd be on guard for an impulse. Market makers can do whatever they want to do. They don't follow Elliott wave rules. However, when you see these patterns forming, you can kind of begin to understand. These are repetitious patterns. Okay, and so when you see a three wave, okay, followed by a three wave that takes out the high or the origin of the first wave, that's an expanded flat. And so we're expecting a five wave to the downside. This would be a 3-3-5 structure. Okay, so but that can be whatever they want it to be eventually. So you need to understand that. Okay, all right. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Looks like an expanded flat. We still have that would be a corrective move, guys. If that would imply an up move of some kind to follow it. Now, I can't be certain what kind of up move it's going to be. I can't say it's going to be a new high here. It could simply be a three-wave move to the upside following it. So we get a move down, then a move up, and then we get another move down. Anything can happen in this range, okay? But that being said, I would seem to favor some kind of an up move once this thing is finished, or once this thing plays out. That's if that interpretation is correct, okay? Sorry, my phone is making noises here, so let's turn this off. There we go. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right now as my primary account. Let's see if we can force myself to look at it some other way here. I don't know how to look at this wave any other way than three waves, except it. It looks like a three-wave structure to me. I mean, let me go down to the smaller time frame here and see. Yeah. I mean, when I put the fibs on this guy, comes to the one-to-one extension to the 127. I mean, that's a nice three-wave. What they did is they came back and made this more complex structure here. Take out the stops here. It was a stop hunt, pretty much, is what that was. And go up, take out the stops above these highs, and then bring it back down. Induce a lot of buys because you broke the high. Everybody thinks it's going up, 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 and then boom, we take it back down. They did it twice today, except they didn't take out the stops. They just kind of shot up with the candle, then come back down quickly, and then they consolidate, and then take it up again, and then bring it back down. It's all market maker shenanigans. This is what they do to try to take your money, guys. So you just gotta be even keel. You got to be chill through this information. I mean, through this time, and don't let them don't enter and exit trades in this region. Right? That's not smart. Breakout trading sucks. It just does. This is for me in my rule set. This is a no trade zone here. If you're not entered in already, I am already short and expecting a move down to the downside. I'm going to be watching the regions here of the 127, which is 99.82. I'll be watching the 1618 at 98.93, and we'll see what the price action's looking like. We'll watch this price action as well. Make sure we don't take out the high again. But if we do, I'll be cutting my short. If we take out this high, I'll just cut that for a loss, and that is what it is. Okay, so that's the way we're looking at this, guys. That's Bitcoin's update for today. Very quick, and let's zoom out and see if we can find a larger structure here. I mean, for me, guys, ideally, I would like to see, just for a structure's sake, we got a one wave here. This is a B or an A wave. This is a B wave. I would expect or would like to see a third wave to the downside. Now, what could be happening is we got a three-wave move here. We're going to get some kind of a three-wave move down. Then we're going to get another three-wave move up that's going to come and retest this high, and then we're going to come back down. So that's another possibility here, guys, that we might be playing out. So we got the A wave. We got a more complex B wave that draws out forever, and then we got a C wave that comes down. So keep in mind these targets will still down here. We still have targets. Excuse me. But we'll have to let this play out and see what the market gives us until now. Until then, I can only speculate. So, yeah, like that. Let's look at the moving averages. Moving averages on the 1 hour chart and the 1 hour chart, see if they're helping us any at all. Okay, so right now the moving averages are hovering around the 20 period moving average right now. So if it drops below, you got a good good sell signal. If you get a candle to the upside on this and it stays to the upside and it makes a higher high than this last one, that might be a good buy signal. If you want to trade that. Now, I'm probably going to stay out of that one, I would imagine, but maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. But for me, this all looks corrective. This looks like a corrective wave, a nice ABC structure. But I could be wrong, and often am, so be ready for that. Okay. All right, there is your Bitcoin update for the day. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.